Hi, boys and girls. So, Mr. Tanner hopes that you guys are all practicing your letters and sounds while you're at home. You have access to our reading stations on our Google Classroom, as well as our YouTube videos and links that we provided. And I hope you're also practicing iReady because we want you doing that 10 to 15 minutes every single day. I'm going to do a quick letter flashcards with you guys. I'm going to say the letter, the picture, and the sound, and then wait about 3 seconds. And then you guys, I want you to be saying it at home if you're practicing, okay? And I'm using the picture cards that you guys are used to seeing at school. So here we go. M, moon, mm. X, box, x, x, x. W, window, wha. T, turtle. D, dog, d, d, d. N, nest, n. Z, zipper, z. A, apple, a. Q, queen, qua. C, cat, k. R, ring, er. L, leaf, l. Y, yo, yeah. H, hat. V, vacuum, v. K, kite, k. O, octopus, a. E, echo, eh. G, gate, g. J, jack in the box, j. B, bear, b. F, fish, S, sun, s. U, up, uh. P, pig, I, itch, it. Thank you, boys and girls. And if you can say it along with me next time, you can do that. Hopefully, or you can try practicing saying your letters in between when I pick a new letter. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we hope to see you back at Crawford soon. Bye.